What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and good afternoon, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video in which, excuse me, that was very loud. But welcome to this new video in which we're going to be talking about Liquity again, or the Lqty token, which actually earlier today was already quite bullish. And right now we're getting quite a lot of bullish momentum from the market as well, which makes it fairly interesting, I'd say. As you can see, most of this bullish momentum by the market, by the way, we won't get too much into depth about that, but it's because of the initial jobless claims being higher, signaling perhaps reduced inflation rates. But that's, as I said, we're not going to be talking about that too much, but that's the main cause of this bullish momentum. Now, Liquity itself already yesterday found some strong support at 1.65 with that 100 EMA. So we technically already had some bullish momentum. So having this added on definitely is great for Liquity. But we'll talk about whether we can actually break up higher and rally higher. We'll talk about that. But before that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links either in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find results, but also how you can join, for example. Liquity itself, I'm not sure. I mean, it's obviously playing into some sort of a narrative with LUSD. But apart from that, there hasn't been that much big news. I mean, the listing on crypto.com, I wouldn't consider that as very bullish. Apart from that, it has been developed quite a lot recently, of course, but no big fundamentals that really could push the price up. So the big question is, well, we have this major resistance level. I'm going to delete this for a moment. But we have this resistance level around $2. All right, that's our main resistance level right now. And you can also kind of see it on the chart right here if you do it like this. And we're trying to challenge that. We haven't touched it yet, but we're trying to get there. The big question is can we break through that? It's a very strong resistance level. You also have the 382 FIB there, for example, off of this recent move. So the big thing is, I think that with this bullish momentum coming into the market, I think it's really going to depend on what Bitcoin does. And I think for Liquity to actually be able to break above $2, which is what we want to see, break above $2, find some resistance at 2.15, but ultimately get up to at least 2.2 with a potential of going up to 2.35. That's what we want to see. The only way I think that would be possible, given the whole fundamentals in the market, but also how strong Liquity is, the technical situation for Liquity and the situation right now in the market. Given that, I'd say Bitcoin needs to break above 22,000. If Bitcoin can do that, I think that's enough bullish momentum coming from the market into Liquity to actually break above our main resistance at $2 and get up to at least this level around 2.15. Now, do I think it's likely that Bitcoin will hit 22,000? No. Could I be wrong about that? Surely yes. Sometimes the market reacts very weird after news like this. So we'll have to wait for that. I think at this point of time, still that the most likely scenario is that sure we might reach that level between like 1.97 and $2, but that from there we'll find resistance and slowly at some point give up 1.85 as a support and drop down towards again the levels around 1.55 and 1.5 ultimately. Not quickly, but ultimately we'll drop down there. But that's my take on Liquity for now. If you do have any questions, if you have anything to add, let me know. For now, take care and bye.